This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to Butcheries Saint-Ouen Street. For the most faithful among you, the name of this street must remind you of my podcast on the Massacre Street. If you haven't listened to it yet, it's number 26. The name of this street obviously comes from the butcher shops established in the area in the Middle Ages. The butchers, who raised and slaughtered animals in their homes, were then grouped in 4 sectors close to the city limits: Saint-Vivien, Saint-Ouen, Massacre and Saint Maclou. Unusual information in street art at the same time, 4 buried columns dedicated to waste were customized by the Norman artist Binokl at the corner of Butcheries Saint-Ouen Street and Amiens Street. These visuals are inspired by the history of the neighborhood. Come closer and look at these drawings. You should recognize a style of house typical of Rouen.